Hello, Martin Cole from gardeningstepbystep.com here. I just wanted to make a very quick video about basil. So you can see some different basil plants here in the greenhouse. And I wanted to show you what I think is making the difference between the way that these plants are growing. So this one here with the green, in the green pot, this is a supermarket bought basil for use in the kitchen. We bought this quite a while ago and I've kept it going here in the greenhouse. But as you can see, it's a bit yellow, it's a bit stunted. It's not looking especially happy. Multiple stems in there, so basically multiple plants in the single pot. As is this, which is a little pot that my daughters sowed. They give the plants names. They call this Bailey basil. Again, they've left the multiple seedlings in the pot, so it's a small pot. Probably the compost is beginning to run out of steam, and the plant itself is suffering. Is yellow, stunted, not looking too good. But then either side you've got this plant, these two here. And the interesting thing about these is that these are single plants from a single seed. So what I did with these is sowed the seeds in a pot and then pricked them out into individual pots, and I've kept them going. I've given them some fertilizer, but I've kept them well watered, and I've pinched out, you can see at the tops of the plants, or I've pinched out the top leaves, the top growth, and then that leads, as you expect, as happens with all plants, that leads to the plant bushing out in its side shoot. So it leads to the buds in the leaf axils being activated because the growing point at the top has been taken out. So the auxins, which are the relevant hormone, then flood towards the leaf axil buds and prompt those buds to begin to grow. So you can get much healthier looking basil plants by growing them individually as single plants than you ever get when you've got multiple plants in a single pot. So thanks for watching. This is Martin Cole at gardeningstepbystep.com. Please visit the website and you'll find lots more gardening information there.